Morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are happy and healthy. Today we'll continue chapter 12 of EVS Water. So, student, this is the third video of this chapter. In the previous two video, we read that water is important, valuable natural resource. That means water is very important for our lives because all animals, plants, birds, human need water to live. It is valuable because it is in limited amount and man cannot make water by its own. It is a natural resource. So we get water from the nature. What is basic need? We all need water to do lots of activities. All of our activities like drinking, cooking, washing, cleaning, farming, factories and making house, all these activities depend on water. So we depend totally on water for our lives. Now student, we also discussed that water comes in three forms: solid, ice, liquid, water, which we can see in the river, ponds, lakes and which we use in our life. And gas form of water is water vapor. And we also discuss sources of water. What are the three sources of water? Rainwater, which we get in the form of rain; surface water, which we can see in the river, sea, lakes, ponds, etc. And groundwater, which is found under the ground, which we can get in the form of hand pump, tube well and well. We also discuss natural and man-made source of water. The man-made source of water is hand pump, tube well, tap, dam, etc. And natural source of water is river, lake, pond, sea, etc. Now we'll discuss about water pollution. Water pollution means the how people make water dirty. Pollution means dirty. So people throw waste material like harmful chemical, house waste means घर का कचरा, factory waste means factory people use water and they when their water get dirty they release into the river, नदियों में डाल देते फैक्ट्री का गंदा पानी, which is having lot of chemicals. Garbage means kachra, plastic bottle, plastic bags and used can etc. in the river, lakes and ponds. In this way, water of the lake, river and pond get dirty. So we cannot use this polluted water. Water pollution is a big problem as the pollution can result into the death of animals living in water. And we cannot use water once it's polluted. And other bodies like seas, ocean carry salty water that we cannot use. So student, we can see that many animals and plants live in water. So water is also the house of many plants and animals. And when this water get polluted, these animals and plants which are living in water, they die. And all lots of domestic and wild animals also die and get sick because of using this dirty water. They take bath in this dirty water or they drink dirty water, then they become sick and they can also die. And we cannot use this dirty water. I'll show you the picture how the water is polluted. And we cannot use the sea water. So we should stop water from getting polluted. Now we can see in this picture that water pollution, how the water is getting dirty, river water is getting dirty by the factory water. So this black water is coming out from the pipe, that is the factory water and it is very dirty. It is having lot of chemicals which is harmful. So this black water is mixing up with river water. In this way, river water gets dirty or polluted. In this picture, we can see that people have thrown their garbage, plastic bottle, plastic bags, etc. in the river water. So this water is also polluted and we cannot use this water. Now we should learn how we can save water because water is in a limited amount on this earth and we cannot make water by own. So we should take some measures to save water. Saving water is important because it is essential, means very necessary, बहुत ज़रूरी है for our lives and we cannot live without it. So we should save water because all our activities depend on water and we cannot make water by own. Saving water means using water supply wisely and be responsible. So we should be careful while using water and we should not waste water. As everyone depends on water for their livelihood, we must learn how to keep our limited supply of water pure and away from pollution. So we should keep the water pure. We should take some measures to keep the water pure and we should stop the water pollution. We should not throw plastic bottle, cans or house garbage in the river or lake or pond water. So we should stop the water pollution and we should also appeal to the government or the factory people not to throw the factory waste into the water. Now we'll learn the ways to save water. Spend the least amount of water in the shower. So we should not take shower or we should not bath for a long time because when we bath for a long time then water gets wasted. So we should take a least amount of time while taking the shower or we should use bucket instead of taking the shower. So in bucket water there is limited water and in this way we can save the water. Close the tap while brushing your teeth. So when we are brushing the teeth we should not keep the tap open. We should only open the tap while rinsing our mouth or washing the face. कुल्ला करते समय और फेस वॉश करते समय हमको टैप ओपन करना चाहिए. Otherwise we should close the tap while brushing the teeth. Don't use too many dishes. Now students, if we use too many dishes, then what will happen? We have to wash the dishes and in this way water will be wasted. So we should not use too many dishes. Check the pipes for leaks. So we should check the pipes. If it is leaking, then we should call the plumber and ask them to repair the pipes. And we should put the bucket or some pots to stop water from leaking and getting wasted. Wash your lawn only when it needs water. Wash the fruits and vegetables in one pan instead of washing separate. So we should use only one pan to wash both the vegetables and fruits. In this way we can save water. While cleaning your fish tanks, don't throw the water, give it to the plants. So when we are cleaning the fish tanks, then we should not throw away that water, we should water the plants. In this way we can save the water. So student, water is in limited amounts. We should use water very carefully because it is the most precious gift given by God to us. Now student, that's all for today's video. We can see in this picture so many things what we should do and what we should not do. So we should plant more trees because plants help in the rainfall. They hold the soil and they take water deep into the soil. And extra water from the plants get evaporated. तो जो extra पानी होता है plants का वो evaporate हो जाता है. Heat से, due to heat it turns into gas and it reaches the cloud. There it turns into rainfall and it's fall on the ground. So plants help in rainfall. So we should grow more and more plants and trees.